let's do this. Welcome back. I tried a small video, but the sound didn't really come out right, so I'm gonna try to get this ready and going. I needed time to be able to speak louder, but I can't. So, this will be a very short video, and just so you know that I have sound and letting you know that I'm here. So, let's go get this horse. I'm crashing. 1 minute. I gotta. Sorry. And yeah, so I'm back in. That's not. No, no, no. Horsey, stop. Whoa. What are you trying to do? Kill me? I'm gonna master you. What do you want me to do or not? You're mine. Stop hurting yourself. I'm gonna master you. Stop it. Mastering the horse. This is what this video is gonna be called. I'm gonna get you. Gotcha. Come on with me. Come on, horsey. No, you are not mastering me. I'm mastering you. Come on. You're coming with me. I have mastered you, and you are coming with me. You are not going where you want to go. You got me? You're a good horse. Now follow. Follow. Crap. There we go. So yeah, I'm ending the episode. Goodbye.